Another car alarm install. This one's a Cobra or Vodafone Automotive 4822. The alarm LED's gone in down here. Ultrasonics, internal cabin protection. And what's quite cool with this one is if I leave the window open, jump out the car on the alarm, that's beeping 3 times to warn me I've left the window open, and it also turns off the ultrasonic sensors, so you do not get a false alarm. All the usual door boot bonnet protection, level sensor, horn honk, bloody loud siren, and you can see the alarm's fully armed now because that's flashing. So if I break in and open a door, she's bloody loud. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.